Puerto Vallarta, nestled along Mexico's sun-kissed Pacific coast, is a true gem for travelers. Known for its breathtaking beaches, vibrant culture, and welcoming atmosphere, Puerto Vallarta holds a special place in the hearts of the LGBTQ+ community, particularly for men over 50. This enchanting city, often referred to as Mexico's gay beach capital, offers a delightful blend of relaxation, adventure, and a vibrant social scene. The city embraces diversity and inclusivity, making it a haven for gay men seeking a welcoming environment. Whether you're seeking romantic getaways, adventurous excursions, or simply a place to unwind, Puerto Vallarta has something to offer every discerning traveler. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the city's unique blend of Mexican charm and international flair. At the heart of Puerto Vallarta's gay scene lies Zona Romantica, a vibrant neighborhood pulsating with life and inclusivity. Known for its charming cobblestone streets, colorful buildings adorned with bougainvillea, and a welcoming ambiance, Zona Romantica is a haven where you can be yourself without reservation. This enclave is home to a concentration of gay-owned and gay-friendly businesses, including stylish boutiques, cozy cafes, lively bars, and world-class restaurants. As you stroll through the narrow streets, you'll be greeted by friendly faces, infectious energy, and a sense of community. The streets come alive at night, with music spilling out from bars and clubs, inviting you to dance the night away under the starlit sky. Whether you're seeking a romantic dinner, a night out with friends, or simply a place to people watch, Zona Romantica offers endless possibilities. No trip to Puerto Vallarta is complete without a visit to the iconic Los Muertos Beach, a legendary stretch of golden sand. Located at the southern end of the Malecón in Zona Romantica, Los Muertos Beach offers a captivating blend of natural beauty and a distinctly gay-friendly atmosphere. As you step onto the soft sand, your eyes will be drawn to the iconic sight of blue chairs lining the beach, each one representing a different beachfront restaurant or bar. These blue chairs have become a symbol of Los Muertos Beach and a testament to its enduring popularity among the LGBTQ+ community. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip in the ocean, or simply relax with a margarita in hand, Los Muertos Beach offers the perfect setting to unwind. Embrace the carefree spirit of Puerto Vallarta for an unforgettable adventure that combines the thrill of the open sea with the camaraderie of the LGBTQ+ community. Look no further than Puerto Vallarta's Gay Boat Tours. These excursions offer a unique opportunity to explore the stunning coastline, swim in crystal clear waters, and party the day away with like-minded individuals. One of the most popular gay boat tours in Puerto Vallarta is Jet's Naked Boat Tour, a legendary experience that has become a rite of passage for many visitors. As the name suggests, clothing is optional on this adults-only adventure, so feel free to embrace your inner exhibitionist or simply soak up the sun in your birthday suit. Expect lively music, refreshing drinks, plenty of opportunities to swim and snorkel, and a chance to connect with new friends from around the world. So grab your sunscreen, your swimsuit, or not, and get ready to set sail on an unforgettable journey. Casa Cupola, a landmark of luxury and liberation. Perched high above the city, offering breathtaking views of Puerto Vallarta and the vast Pacific Ocean, stands Casa Cupola, a luxurious hotel that has become an iconic destination for discerning gay travelers. More than just a place to stay, Casa Cupola is a symbol of luxury, liberation, and the enduring spirit of the LGBTQ+ community. The hotel's stunning architecture, lush tropical gardens, and breathtaking infinity pool create a sense of tranquility and indulgence. Casa Cupola is renowned for its legendary pool parties, which have become a highlight of the Puerto Vallarta social scene. Whether you're looking to let loose and party the night away, or simply enjoy a sophisticated evening with friends, Casa Cupola offers a range of options to suit every taste. A tapestry of tastes and experiences, dining and entertainment. Beyond its breathtaking beaches and vibrant nightlife, Puerto Vallarta tantalizes the senses with a diverse culinary scene and a rich tapestry of entertainment options. From intimate cafes to world-class restaurants, the city offers a gastronomic adventure for every palate, with flavors as vibrant as the city itself. Start your day with a traditional Mexican breakfast at a local eatery, savoring the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the comforting flavors of huevos rancheros or chilaquiles. For a truly unforgettable dining experience, head to Joe Jack's Fish Shack, a beloved institution known for its laid-back ambiance and mouth-watering seafood dishes. As the sun begins its descent, venture out to experience Puerto Vallarta's vibrant entertainment scene. From captivating performances at the Palm Cabaret and Bar to live music at Frida's Bar and Restaurant. Vallarta After Dark, embracing the vibrant nightlife. As the sun dips below the horizon, Puerto Vallarta transforms into a playground of nocturnal delights. The city's vibrant nightlife scene, particularly in Zona Romantica, comes alive with pulsating energy, beckoning you to dance, mingle, and embrace the electrifying atmosphere. For a taste of the local gay bar scene, head to La Cueva Cantina, a popular spot known for its friendly ambiance, strong drinks, and lively crowds. If you're looking for a more laid-back vibe, the Swedes offers a welcoming atmosphere to enjoy a quiet drink with friends or strike up a conversation with someone new. For those seeking a more adventurous experience, Spartacus Spa Sauna offers a unique opportunity to connect with other men in a relaxed and welcoming environment. No matter your preference, Puerto Vallarta's nightlife scene promises a night to remember. Beyond the beach. Exploring the allure of retirement. While Puerto Vallarta is renowned for its vibrant gay scene and exciting vacation opportunities, it also holds a unique allure for those seeking a more permanent escape. The city's welcoming atmosphere, affordable cost of living, and high quality of life have made it an increasingly popular destination for LGBTQ+ retirees. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves crashing on the shore, spending your days strolling along the beach, and enjoying delicious meals with breathtaking ocean views. Beyond its natural beauty, Puerto Vallarta offers a strong sense of community, particularly within the LGBTQ+ community. Numerous social groups, activities, and organizations cater to the interests of retirees, providing opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals and build lasting friendships. A final toast to paradise found. As the sun sets on another glorious day in Puerto Vallarta, it's easy to see why this tropical paradise has captured the hearts of so many LGBTQ+ travelers, particularly men over 50. Puerto Vallarta offers more than just stunning beaches and a vibrant nightlife. It provides a sense of belonging, a place where you can be yourself without judgment, and a community that embraces diversity with open arms. So raise a glass to Puerto Vallarta, a city that celebrates life, love, and the freedom to be yourself.